my god, look how packed it is, you guys. If you hadn't had this place, you need to come because y'all are missing out. What's your favorite thing about this place?
The roof.
Isn't it so nice? You guys, take a look at this new roof that is improving the way that we come have lunch here for the flea market. Give me 1 second. Look at this, you guys. This is all new and improved. It's so that you guys can come and eat and have a good time and not have to worry about the sun hitting your face or if there's rain. You know, this is awesome. Look at all these people here. They're all having lunch. They're all having birria. You guys need to come. And of course, we always have that great service. All the fam, look, they're pointing out to me that they have my drink ready. They're so attentive, you guys. You really need to hit them up and, you know, just come try their food. This is a fucking spot. This is a fucking spot.
She couldn't like pick herself up on that because of her arm, so you're just gonna have to.
You're gonna get a tooth in there too. If you want to fill the tooth. Put a tooth in her.
Look, guys, I even got some to go. How cool is that? And we're heading out. Right, baby? How was it?
It was hella good.
Do you need a nap now?
I'm done.
Let's go take a nap. I was all reaching for it. How was I reaching? You guys, that's how I went with my hand to get my phone. I was like, Bitches, we got here to Ikea.
There's hella people here. Why? Why?
And I'm having my to-go taco, you know, that I took. So bomb. You know, I actually added a little thing. You guys, make this go viral. I added fucking crushed Dorito chips in there. Oh my god, they're so good. But we're here, you guys. It's gonna be so fun. Let us know where else you guys want us to go and explore for you guys.
Look at them toes.
Them toes? Where?
Right there.
What are you talking about?
You missed it. Oh, dang, it's hella
I wish I had
here.
seen. I wish I had seen.
No, you don't want to see that shit.
I don't? Okay. Well, it's nice to be back.
Bro,
I've been trying to go over here.
Man, I want to find parking. You cannot let me find parking. Find parking. Find parking. Find parking.
Pine parking? But
You better not take that spot, buddy, if you know what's best for you right now, man.
oh
buddy.
hell
You don't know what's
no!
best for
He
you,
got
buddy.
ahead of us.
Oh, he's handicapped.
How dare you? Oh yeah, never mind.
Respect
Oops,
for
sorry,
him. Yeah.
sorry. We're judging hella quickly. Okay.
Look at this guy.
Oh,
Looks like my uncle.
oh my.
Bad day.
Wait, which one?
Where?
Manuel?
There's no parking. I will go home.
You guys, I'm sorry to say that we have to go home because there's no parking.
You think I can bust that bitch?
You probably can with my little car.
Ha! Bloody bastard. I pick this one.
That's awesome. That's perfect. Oh, you better not try to be finessing us right now.
Somebody
Little
such
bitch.
me. Wow.
Whoa, okay.
Yes.
Dude, we did it, you guys. We did it. We don't have to go home no more. Oh my god. Okay, let's head in. I went and got some treats. So I got a little ice cream. It's actually a non-fat frozen vanilla yogurt cone. And Alexis is getting a cinnamon roll and a coffee. You ready, baby? This is how we get our day started at Ikea. Looks so good. Freaking ran out of coffee, but it's okay. We're gonna make them make more. Right, baby?
No.
No?
That's not today.
Why?
Yo, this bread's hella soft.
Oh, it looks so good, but I already got ice cream. I don't know. What do you get? 10 out of 10? Yeah?
7.
Not 10 out of 10? Is it better than
8.
Cinnabon? Cinnabon's better?
Yeah, for sure.
But for being Ikea, and how much does it cost?
$1, yeah.
$1, you guys. $1.
$3 for everything.
$3 for all this. Worth it? Absolutely. Put some on your bun right there, on top. I have a lot.
Oh my god.
Bun?
What did I just do? Hold on.
He's like, I just did something.
Wow.
You guys, make this one go viral too. Viral Ikea hacks. Yeah? Now it's 10 out of 10?
Damn, hey, try it.
Okay, I feel like I really need to try this. That's yummy AF. I love it. Okay. I see you, Ikea. Our goal today is to get very, very lost in Ikea. So, let's make that happen. 3, 2, 1.
That one's even nicer than the one we saw.
Wow, I like this one.
Yeah.
It's very nice. I like the chairs a lot. Very, very cute.
Oh, I have cactuses. Look.
Super nice.
Look at
Ooh, very
it.
pretty.
Están más baratos. En Costco cuesta como $20 por dos. These are like $5, $4.
That's awesome, huh?
Costco costs something.
You want to take one? You want to take one?
I'm low-key.
Oh, this one's cute. Look.
Está muy chueco.
This one. Look, this one's super cute. Look, this one's super cute. How dare you?
What are those? Oh, what the hell? $2 for a margarita? This one, what looks sick? What is this?
I don't know, but it looks really nice.
Potted plant. It's a potted plant.
Wow. This is so cute. We're just kind of exploring right now, looking around this new area that we hadn't seen last time. We didn't have a lot of time when we visited Ikea last time, so we didn't really get to see this whole floor here. So we're definitely taking a look now. This right here is so cute. I love this. I love the colors and everything. Very simple. We were in the mirror room, you guys. This one right here is really cool. This one with this stand right next to it. It's connected. It's really cool. Outfit of the day, so you guys can see. I'm wearing a black long sleeve with my striped pants, taupe shoes, little gray coat going on, some shades as an accessory, and of course my Michael Kors little bag. Have some jewelry going on. I have my little necklace for my baptism and my watch. And of course, you can't forget my very, very cute phone case, which completes my outfit and ties it all together. Little pose moment. Let me find out. Hey, baby.
What?
Am I the feds?
You really are.
Now we're in my favorite section ever.
This would be cool
For
like
pets.
like if you go in a restaurant or like a fast food place, or like let's say In-N-Out.
Yeah.
Easier one. You don't have to leave her in the car. You just put her in the.
Oh, we should get one
You
for
just feed her fries
her.
to the top.
Yeah, we should get her one. And it has, oh, we could get a little pillow for her. Oh my God, yes. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come on, she's literally looking at us. She's like, please give me that dog
It's a
bed.
fat dog.
Nice. You guys at Ikea, if you're looking for this, they're very, very cute. So that's the bottom piece, baby, that you enter, so it keeps it intact.
Not today. Today it's a lid.
No, it's not. Silly ass. So for any of you guys that don't believe us, we actually did get lost. We're trying to find where we can check out. I ended up finding some really nice stuff. I also found some ladles that I needed at home to cook. I found some towels. I'm going to be using this as my face towels when I take off my makeup. I found a new terry cloth robe. It's really nice. And then that's actually, oh, and this dispensers for my cleaning products for hygiene and skincare. So these are really cute. As we're so tired, so we're just taking a little quick pit stop here on these chairs. We're gonna chill for a little bit until we feel like we're ready. Because that was exhausting, huh, baby? It's like a little maze.
It's had a little space to walk through.
Isn't it like a maze a little bit? It's definitely a challenge. But we definitely got to see a lot more than we saw last time. So I'm happy about that. We checked out and now we're just gonna be getting a little icy before we go. So we can head out to Sauced, this place that is now here in Sacramento, but it used to be open in Petaluma. They closed, and so now the nearest one that we have is either Livermore or Sacramento, which we'll be hitting up today. And it's gonna be so fun. And lemon, and his is just dingleberry.
How'd you know?
Little dingleberry moment. Anyway, we're headed to the car now, and we're gonna go to Sauced. See you guys there. We're at Sauced. It's really loud, you guys, so I'm not gonna be able to vlog in here, but we're just looking to look at the menu, and we're gonna eat something hella bomb. I'll show you guys what we got in just a minute. I'm probably gonna be having a beer as well, so that's my server right there. Shout out, girl. Thank you for your patience. But yeah, it looks packed. It looks like it's a really popular place around here. Hey guys, I ended up getting the mac and cheese loaded with chili, cornbread, and Alexis ended up getting some mac and cheese, fries, brisket, chicken. Oh my gosh. That is just crazy. And some wings, of course. Woo! Dig in, baby. Do it. You know you're freaking ready. He's looking at which hot sauce he needs. So I ended up getting this really cute cocktail instead of a beer just because it looks so good, and it really is really good. Cucumber, watermelon, lemonade. So awesome.
You on the way? I'm waiting in the lobby. I'm probably gonna be in the bathroom. Yeah. Alright.
Hey, where's your face?
What? What? Let's go to the bathroom before they get here.
Okay. We played ourselves. Guys, we played ourselves. Lol.